If your organization is still managing its quality processes in spreadsheets, you may be one regulatory audit away from a serious compliance failure. Spreadsheets were never designed to manage a quality management system. Today, we will define exactly what eQMS software is and walk through 5 specific reasons why spreadsheets cannot replace it. An eQMS, or Electronic Quality Management System, is a purpose-built software platform designed to manage, automate, and document all of the processes that make up your organization's quality system. This includes document control, corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, audit management, change control, supplier qualification, deviation management, risk management, design and development controls, and training management. Unlike a spreadsheet-based approach, an eQMS centralizes all of these processes in a single, validated environment. Every action is logged, time-stamped, and traceable. Every document has a controlled revision history, and every workflow is automated. The system enforces your quality processes, not the memory of individual employees. So why cannot a spreadsheet do this? Here are 5 specific reasons. Reason 1, no validated audit trail. Under 21 CFR Part 11, your records must meet the ALCOA standard: attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. A spreadsheet has no native audit trail. Files can be edited or deleted with no record of what changed or who changed it. An eQMS logs every action automatically, creating an unbroken compliant audit trail that holds up under FDA or ISO inspection. Reason 2, no enforced access control. In a shared spreadsheet, anyone with file access can edit a master SOP, remove a row from a CAPA log, or overwrite a controlled document. An eQMS enforces role-based permissions at the system level. Approvers can approve, reviewers can review, operators can only view. Your quality system's integrity is not dependent on trust. It is enforced by design. Reason 3, no automated workflow. A deviation triggers a CAPA. A CAPA triggers an effectiveness review. A document change triggers retraining. In a spreadsheet environment, managing these dependencies is entirely manual, subject to missed emails and delayed escalations. An eQMS automates these workflows end-to-end. No manual intervention required. Reason 4, no electronic signature compliance. For organizations subject to 21 CFR, Part 11 or EU Annex 11, a click in a spreadsheet cell is not a compliant electronic signature. A purpose-built eQMS provides validated Part 11 compliant e-signatures with identity verification, meaning of signature capture, and a tamper-evident record. Reason 5, no connection between quality and training, and this is the gap most often overlooked. When a controlled document is revised, affected personnel must be retrained before they can work to the new version. Here is the question most eQMS evaluations miss. What happens after the SOP is approved? Who trains on it? And how do you know they did? If your quality system and your training system are separate, even if both are purpose-built, you have a gap. And in a GXP environment, that gap is a finding waiting to happen. A truly integrated system closes that loop automatically. Document approvals deploy training. Training completion is required before a record can close. Every step lives in the same audit trail. One system, one record. No manual handoff. And the regulatory pressure is not coming, it is already here. QMSR, which amended 21 CFR Part 820 in February 2026, and ISO 9001 revision 2026, demands exactly this kind of integrated, verifiable quality system. Start a free 30-day trial or schedule a live demo at quality.eleapsoftware.com. What has been your organization's experience managing quality in spreadsheets? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more quality management and compliance content.